During the cleanup process, you will want to document any valuables you have. Taking pictures of damaged or destroyed items can help with your insurance claim. If you have flood damage, you will need to call your insurance company for assistance. You can also take your valuables with you to inventory and value them. Depending on the type of flooding, the cleanup process will vary. However, removing the floodwater immediately from your home will prevent structural damage. The first step in flood damage cleanup is removing the damaged materials from your home. Water-damaged material is brittle and will require replacement or disinfection. Foam insulation and cellulose insulation, blown and treated paper should be removed from your home. If the water level is 3 or 4 feet higher than the high water mark, it should be removed. If drywall is exposed, it can be cleaned and discarded. During the cleanup process, you should disinfect any exposed studs and walls. This will prevent mold from growing. Once the walls have dried, you can start the drying process. After the flood cleanup process, you should contact your insurance company. You should take photos and document the damages. Afterwards, you can contact a professional contractor to do flood damage cleanup. Once the home is safe to enter, cleaning will begin. Permanent repairs, such as carpeting and wiring, should wait until the home is completely dry. This may take weeks or even months. In addition, the cleaning process will be the most important step. In the first few days following flooding, it's important to contact a professional flood damage cleanup service for the cleanup process. Water-damaged buildings can be extremely harmful to your health. The best time to contact a restoration company is the first 48 hours following flooding. A good water damage cleanup company can provide assistance in the cleanup process and ensure your home is safe for reoccupation. If you choose to handle the cleanup process on your own, it can lead to a high risk of mold and fungi. In addition to water damage, floodwaters often contain hazardous materials. Sewage can backflow into homes after flooding, causing a higher risk of mold and fungi. A professional water damage cleanup company can help you get your home back to normal and prevent the spread of these invasive organisms. If a professional water damage cleanup service is needed, they can install a drainage system and waterproof membranes for your home to prevent future flooding. Once you have the water damage, you need to remove any remaining water. You need to do this to protect your belongings and minimize water damage. After removing the water, you should check for any mold and then begin the cleanup. During the cleanup process, it's important to take pictures to document the progress of the cleaning process. Once the cleanup is complete, you should call a professional to help you with the cleanup and repairs. If you're unable to handle the cleanup yourself, a professional water damage cleanup service will help you. A certified professional will work with you to secure your home. The water damage cleanup process can be expensive and requires the use of advanced drying technology and equipment. The most important part of the cleanup process is to hire an experienced water damage company. If you're unsure about which company to hire, call Paul. They'll help you with the cleanup. Acting quickly is essential during flood damage cleanup. The longer you wait to take action, the more costly it will be to repair your property. It's also important to know that some flooding is not caused by local flooding in the area. Some of the flooding is caused by broken pipes. In such cases, you need to shut off the main water supply immediately. It will be necessary to call a restoration company to help with the cleaning. Professional services will help you deal with the cleanup process. If you have flood damage, you should call TST Restoration immediately. A professional team will be able to assess the damage and start restoring the structure. You can even consider hiring an insurance company to help with the process. Keeping yourself safe during a flood is the top priority. You should also take cash with you and emergency supplies. It is crucial to stay calm and keep your family and your home safe.